Yep. Not fast, it is loud. See, I want to get a sticker and put it on the back.
Drive, weirdo.
I am driving.
I mean, don't focus. Oh, okay. This truck is loud but slow, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sonic corn dogs are legit.
Willie Wigger, kill that.
Is your corn dog good? I would take that as a yes.
Is this what we're watching? Oh, sorry.
That is the show we're gonna go see.
I have the hiccups.
Oh goodness.
Landed!
Oh my god, it's landed!
What? You're so off! Holy.
More clever, lucid. I've always been stupid at spelling and numbers.
And he was leaving the tractor, so I just blared the horn.
World War I flying ace. Back in France in the aerodrome. He's tired, but it does not seem.
No.
I forgot I had to work today. How'd be good? That's where he learns this. And then he comes into it and it's all. I'm kind of hot.
Oh gosh.